In this video, I will show you how to create a hyperlink in a PDF file. First, open your PDF file. If it is not editable, open Microsoft Word, click on Open, then select Browse and choose your PDF file. Now select the text where you want to add the hyperlink. For example, click here. After that, go to the Insert tab and click on Link. Then select Existing File or Web Page. Here, paste your website URL, such as YouTube or any other link. Once you paste the link, click on OK. Now your hyperlink has been successfully added. Next, save your file as a PDF. To do this, click on File, then Save As, and choose the PDF format. After saving, open the PDF file and test your link. When you click on the text, it should open your website instantly. That's how you can easily create a clickable hyperlink in a PDF file. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.